Hi everyone, 10th class NCERT Maths exercise 5.2 5th chapter arithmetic progression 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Now we are going to discuss that 5 problems. What is the 6th problem? Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. What is the AP means arithmetic progression. What is the AP? 11, 8, 5 and 2 up to so on. So now what is given an AP? What is the given AP? 11, 8, 5, 2. Next, so he's asking minus 150 is a term of the AP or not. For that, first, what is the first term? A. 11 is the first term. What is the common difference? Difference means term 2 minus term 1. So what is the second term? 11. Sorry, what is the second term? 8. And first term? 11. So 8 minus 11? 3. The common difference is minus 3. Now, if minus 150 is the term of the AP, now consider if possible minus 150 is a term of AP, then consider it nth term. So an is equal to minus 150. Consider it minus an is equal to minus 150. Now find that what is the an formula? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So minus 150 is equal to, substitute the a value 11 plus n value we don't know, but d value minus 3. Yes, now multiply minus 150 is equal to 11 minus 3 into n minus 3n minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. Now minus 150, so plus 11 plus 3 14 minus 3n. So minus 3n is equal to minus 150 minus 14. Next, minus 3n is equal to minus 164. 150 plus 14, 164. So minus 164. N is equal to minus 164 by 3. Minus cancel. N is equal to minus 164 by 3. So the nth term, this is the nth term, number of terms n. So n is not a integer. Therefore, minus 150 is not a term of given AP. Therefore, minus 150 is not a term of given AP. Next problem. See the seventh problem. What is the seventh problem? Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Yes. Next problem is find the 31st term. So we have to find the 31st term in the next problem. Yes. 31st term. Yes. See, what is the given AP? Given, first we have to check what is the given data. Find the 31st term of, yes, an AP whose 11th term is 38. So 11th term. What is 11th term? A plus ND. A plus ND is the 11th term. So 11th term is what? 38 is the 11th term. Next, 16th term. 16th term. Yes, 16th term. What is 16th term? A plus 15d is the 16th term. So what is that? 73. Yes, from this find the a and d value. So both pair of equations in the form of pair of linear equations. Now I am subtracting the both linear equations. Yes, plus a minus a will be cancelled. Plus 10d minus 15d minus d minus 73 plus 38 minus 35. Now d is equal minus 35 by minus 5. So minus minus cancel, 5 7. From this d is equal 7. Yes, Subst substituting this d value in equation, consider this 2 or equation 1 and 2. Yes, now I am substituting this d value in equation 1. What is the d value? A plus 10 into 7 is equal to 30, right? Now, yes, a plus 70 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 70. 38 minus 70 minus 32. Yes, minus 32 a value. Now what we want? Which term? 31st term. Yes, 31st term. 31st term means a plus 30d. So a plus 30d. A value minus 32 and 30, d value 7. So minus 32, 30 into 7, 210, 210. So 31st term minus 32 plus 210 minus 32 plus 210. Subtract that, we will get 210 minus 32. Yes, 8. Now 7, 178. So the 31st term is 178. So the 31st term is 178. Now next term. What is the 8th problem? See that 8th problem. An AP consists 50 terms. An AP consists how many terms? 50 terms. Yes. In the 50 terms, which third term is 12? So in that 50 terms, he is telling third term is 12 and the last term is 106. What is the last term? 106. Children, if you want to write this data, pause the video and write down. Next, 8th problem. What is the 8th problem? Yes, an AP consists 50 terms. Yes, AP consists 50 terms and which third term is 12. Yes, given. What is given? AP and whose third term is 12. Third term. Third term means a plus 2d. A plus 2d is equal to how much? 12. Next term. And last term. What is the last term? How many terms are there total? 50 terms are there. Then last term means term 50. A plus 49d. Yes. So 50 terms means a plus 49d. What is that? He is telling 106. Yes, both equations are in the form of pair of linear equation. Now, in two variables. What is the two variables? A and what are the two variables? A and d. Yes, I am subtracting. Minus a plus a cancel. Minus 49d plus 2d. Minus 47D is equal minus 106 plus 12 minus 94. Yes, D is equal minus 94 by minus 47. Minus minus cancel, 47 1s are 47 2s are. So D value 2. Okay. Now substitute this D value in equation 1 or 2. Yes, now I am subtracting this D value in equation 1. Then A plus 2D is equal to 12. A plus A is equal to 12. 2 to the 4. So 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. A value 8k. Now we have to find 29th term. Yes, 29th term. 29th term means A plus 28D. So A value 8 plus 28 into D value 2. So 8 plus 28 to the 56. So 8 plus 56, 64. So the 29th term of given AP is equal 64. That is the 8th problem. 29th term is 64. That given AP. Next, 9th problem. What is the 9th problem? Children, if you want to write, then pause the video and write down. Next, 9th problem. If the third and 9th terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively. Yes. Next, 9th problem. If the third and 9th terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Yes. Third term. Given an AP whose third term. So third term means A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to how much? 4. Third term, third and ninth term respectively 4 and minus 6. So third term is 4. Next term, ninth term. Ninth term means A plus 8D is equal to how much he gave? Minus 8. Yes, same subtraction. Minus minus plus. Minus 8 plus minus A plus A cancel. Minus 8 and plus 2 minus 6D is equal to minus plus 8 plus 4 plus 12. D is equal to 12 by minus 6. 6 1 6 2. So minus 2. D is equal to, the common difference is minus 2. Yes, this is the equation 1. 2. Substitute D value in equation 1. A plus 2 D means minus 2 is equal to 4. Yes. A minus 4 is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. See, A plus 2 into minus 2 minus 4. So A minus 4 is equal to 4 as this. Next, this minus 4 will become plus 4. A is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. A is equal to 8k. Is which term of this AP is 0? He is asking which term of AP is 0. Now consider A n is equal to 0. Which nth term? Which n term is 0? Yes. Now 0 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes, we have to find this n term. So nth term is 0. Yes, the number of term is, what is the number of term? Which number of term? To find that, substitute the A value 8 plus n minus 1 into D value minus 2. Yes. 8 n into minus 2 minus 2n, minus 1 into 2 plus 2. Yes, minus 2n, 8 plus 2, n is equal to 0. Yes, minus 2n is equal to minus 10. n is equal to minus 10 by minus 2. Minus 2 by the 10. So n is equal to 5. So fifth term of this AP is 0. Fifth term of this AP is 0. So what is the AP actually? The arithmetic progression. What is the first term? 8. First term is 8. Okay, I will write it. First term is 8. See the second term common difference is minus 2. That means 6. 4, 2, 0. Which term of this AP is 0? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Yes, fifth term of AP is 0. Okay, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, like that. So, fifth term of AP is 0. Next, see the 10th problem. See the 10th problem. Yes. The 17th term. 17th term. 17th term of an AP exceeds means like more exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. See what is the given AP? 17th term of an AP exceeds 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Yes. Now first 17 given AP whose given AP whose yes. So first 17th term. What is 17th term? A plus 16D. Yes. Next 10th term. What is 10th term? A plus 9D. From the question, the 17th term exceeds the 17th term exceeds its 10th term by how much? 7. So 17th term A plus 16D is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. So 17th term is 7 more than 10th term. In the simple term, the 17th term is 7 more than 10th term. Next one, from the question, find the common difference. Yes. A. See this plus A. Bring all the terms this side. Minus A minus 9D is equal to 7. So plus A minus A. 16D minus 9D. 7D is equal to 7. D is equal to 7 by 7. So D is equal to 1. Therefore, the common difference is equal to 7. The common difference is equal to 7. That is the 10th problem. From the given information, we got the D value.